refresh in power steering fluid brackets here. It was rusty, and I take it off and paint it. Of course, polish it first, get rid of rust, and repaint it. So it should go. Okay, you can just put it here. So you can just take it off. Okay. So now, as you can see, it's not stable. It's not fixed because I took off the bracket. So the bracket, as you can see, it goes here. Okay. So this way goes here, and this way goes here. Okay, and then this bracket, as you can see, there's two. That bracket goes in this way. Okay. Bracket should go this way. Hold it like this. Okay. And then I just screw. I did a little bit remodification. Okay. So what did I do is I cut off. It had 3 arms. I cut off one. I don't think the third one is necessary. So what I did is it was here. Okay. I cut off this piece. Okay. The third arm I cut off. I think 2 arms are enough. 100% stable already. You don't need a third. I don't think you need a third arm. That's what I did. So I want to make it as simple as possible. Okay. So okay, let's install it. I need a 2 screw. One screw goes here, the other goes here. Okay. Okay, if we just took it off, and how to take out these 2 rubber. Okay, so first you get off the screws, of course, and then as you can see in the rubber, there are 2 metal cylinders, right? So you take off, you squeeze, okay, like this. I just use my finger, or use a little finger like this. Little bit push, or you can use just engine oil to drip 1 drip of engine oil. It's easier to let it out. You can just squish it out, okay, like this. As you can see, it's getting out. A little bit oil is going to be helpful. Okay, then you can squeeze the rubber like this. It's easier to get out. The same thing, okay, same thing do this one, okay. I just use one as an example. So when you install it, right, you just squeeze this rubber, squeeze in, okay, it's easy, and then put back this little metal cylinder. And then you need to put this screw first, okay, in. And let's go to install it. You can just use hands first. Got a new one. I think it's perfect. It was here, I cut it off. Okay, cut it off. Actually, you don't need it because this metal actually is not a very you can bend it, you know, and I think 2 arms are already enough. See, 2 arms are already enough. Okay, that's it. Then we put back this coolant tank. That's it. All right, I realize all the Toyota brackets, like little brackets under the hood, are really easy to be rusty. Like this piece I took off from it, it's like it was really rusty. I polished it and repaired it. Still, I'm not happy with it. Still very rusty. If I don't paint it, it will look like shit. These pieces are good ones. Many ones are really rusty. I just throw them away. These are still good, and so that I still keep them.